Hello there, let's talk today about how to change the blink outdoor battery. As you can see, mine is working, but if yours is not, you just need to come here on the back of the camera, remove this rubber, and just open here, turn this counterclockwise, okay? This tool comes with the camera, but if you don't have one, you just need to use any tool that allows you to open here. Just turn counterclockwise until it opens, and here we go. Then you have two batteries here. Those are lithium batteries. So you just need to remove the old one like this and insert a new one in place, okay? Just remember to put the battery in the correct position. As you can see here, there's a plus and minus sign here. Also you have here in the battery, so you can make sure that you're using the correct side, right? So plus with plus here, this way for example. Let me just put one here. This other one, the plus sign here, and it's here in this battery as well. Okay, here we go. Then it's this side. Then you just close it. Pay attention to close with the cover for the USB in the correct position, which is here. So here we go. Okay. And then just turn clockwise this time. And it's very easy, okay? Then you just put the cover back here and you're ready to go. You're gonna see the camera flashing here, all right? So that's all. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.